Hello friends, hope you all are doing good and it's not a great weather outside. It's been raining all day and just cannot step out. So looks to be some effect due to the cyclone. So nevertheless, today I wanted to talk about, many of you asked me question about what is running in, how do I do my running in on the bike. So today I just made some points what I really follow on any brand new bike. So I'm going to talk about those. So guys, with coming to the break-in or running in today's context is more not so prevalent because of the advancement of technology and the precision levels what automobile engineering has achieved versus the pre-Japanese era where we used to have those ESDs with the recommended running in. During the first running in, they would say that you need to use 50 ml of oil for first 1,000 kilometers, and then later on next 1,500 kilometers and so on and so forth you can do with 30 ml of two-stroke engine oil. So we've gone much past all those things. The precision levels are very high in today's date. However, any automobile engine which is a brand new engine definitely needs some bit of running in for the parts inside to bed in with each other really well. That's very important. So few things what we can follow to ensure the running in procedure is followed meticulously. The first one what I religiously follow is the cold start. When I cold start my bike for the first time during the day, I ensure I idle it for 2 to 3 minutes. Why? Because I want to ensure bike engine gets an adequate warm up and the engine oil gets circulated right till the top of the camshaft and all those parts to provide good lubrication. So that's important, and that's not only in running in, I do it always when I do a cold start. Second one, during running in or during on a cold engine, please avoid sudden acceleration or sudden braking. That is something which you need to avoid, which is when the wear and tear is extremely high if you do sudden acceleration or sudden braking. Third one, please ensure you ride the bike under 3 to 4,000 rpm during the running in period, which is say 500 to 1,000 kilometers at this point in time. So yeah, you would say that, hey, we don't have an rpm meter in our bike. How do we know what rpm we are at, right? So typically what I have observed in most of the bikes is first gear do not exceed up to 20 kmph, second 30, third 40, fourth 60, and fifth gear is definitely an overdrive on our bike. You can do 70 to 90 kmph. Yes, 70 to 90 kmph on a brand new bike also, but on the fifth gear. Fourth point, do not ride the bike at constant speeds, right? If you are, say for example, in the fifth gear, don't just keep riding it at 70 only, keep varying the speeds, right? By doing this, you are letting the bike engine bed in well, because when you accelerate, the bike engine produces heat. When you decelerate, it's the cooling, right? So please ensure you do that meticulously, especially during the running in period. And when in running in period, the point number 5, every 50 to 80 kilometers, give the bike a break for about 15 minutes to let the engine cool down. So this is not required all the time, but only during the first 1,000 kilometers at the max. I haven't been doing it after that, so it doesn't require after that because the bike develops the cooling efficiency on its own. And the sixth one, please ensure the first service oil change happens as soon as possible or as per the manufacturer recommendation. So these are the 6 points I would ensure I follow meticulously in running in of any bike for that matter. and more important, if your bike is air cooled than liquid cooled mechanism. So yeah, with this I think I've covered most of the points what I would follow for running in or break in of a brand new engine. So please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer and clarify. Thank you guys, and have a wonderful rest of the day.